Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Function meets portability with the 8730 and 8730G slim folding motorized treadmills by ASUNA. Walk, jog, or run on the space-saving running deck. Take advantage of the 2.5 peak horsepower motor that supports speeds up to 8 miles per hour, while you reduce impact on your joints as you exercise on the shock absorption-equipped deck. Monitor and control your workout with the LED Lit Touch capacitive console with quick select buttons as you track your speed, steps, distance, time, and calories burned. Stay safe and secure with the emergency safety key clip attached to the sturdy frame that supports up to 220 pounds in user weight. Connect to the auxiliary port and listen to your favorite music or watch your favorite show as you mount your smart device on the tablet holder. With multifunctional transportation wheels and a sleek, slim foldable design, this treadmill can be stored and used practically anywhere in a matter of seconds. Pack a functional workout in a space-saving design with the 8730 and 8730G slim folding motorized treadmills by ASUNA.
Introducing the Exerpeutic TF1000 Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill from Paradigm Health and Wellness. We know you want to get started on your healthy and fit lifestyle right away, so our Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill comes virtually assembled right out of the box. Simply attach the LCD computer monitor panel and you're ready to get started. Treadmill fitness walking has been proven to be an effective way to get fit. Here's what you can expect from the Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is a heavy-duty treadmill. It's designed to accommodate up to 400 pounds of user weight with wide side rails and a heavy-duty steel frame. The treadmill belt is 20 inches wide, similar to commercial fitness club-size treadmills. The 18-inch extra-long safety handles are more than 2 times longer than typical treadmill handles, so no reaching is necessary to secure yourself. No more losing your balance on a treadmill. Getting on and getting off is very easy and safe. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill has a 2-position manual incline feature where you can adjust the incline position very easily to change the intensity level of your workout. Burning more calories and gaining more strength is easy when you're on Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill also comes with a smart computer with an LCD display featuring functions of elapsed time, distance walked, calories burned, and speed. Easy-to-use speed control buttons on the handlebar allow you to adjust from 1/10 of a mile per hour to up to 4 miles per hour for a vigorous fitness walking workout. An on-off switch is right on the handlebar for easy access when your workout is finished. Plus, there's a pulse monitor where you can measure and check your target heart rate anytime and stay within your target heart rate zone. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is powered with a 1.5 horsepower high-torque motor, which utilizes quiet drive, so you can watch TV or listen to music while walking with no interference. And more, the Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is easy to fold and store with a hydraulic shock absorber and transportation wheels for relocating the treadmill. It is built to last. Our 5-year limited warranty on the motor and a 1-year limited warranty on the frame means that you can buy with confidence, and you can get healthy and fit with your Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill for many years to come.